What we can do now? We ask Allah to forgive us. We make tawbah. Tawbah means, I will not do it again. Allah forgive me, hindi ko na ako ulitin. Ya Allah, patawarin mo ako, hindi ako ulitin na ito ng mga lahat na ginawagaw sa buhay ko na masama. Yan ang sabihin ng tawbah. Make tawbah to Allah. You still have a time to make tawbah. But there is a time when there will be no tawbah anymore. When? When you see the angel of death coming to you, Malakul Maut coming to you, you can see Allah will open your eyes. You can see now Malakul Maut. Right now somebody died, you cannot see Malakul Maut. He can see only. You cannot see. But there is a time when Malakul Maut approached to us to take our soul. All of us. Lahat tayo nang kita kay Malakul Maut. Dahil sabi ng Allah sa Quran, Kullu nafsin za'ikatul maut. Every soul tests the death. Lahat ng kaluluwa nakitikim ng kamatayan. So kung lahat tayo tikim ng kamatayan, kita tayo ng Malakul Maut. Kung kita tayo ng Malakul Maut, wala nang tawbah. Kahit sabihin mo, ilang beses tawbah na yan, wala na. Hindi tanggap na Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Nung si Firaun, na nung kita niya kay Malakul Maut, sabi niya, La ilaha illa anta. He believes, he said, La ilaha illallah. Hindi tanggap na Allah dahil nakita niya ng Malakul Maut. Wala na tawbah na yun. We have a time to make tawbah right now. We don't know what happened after 5 minutes. We even don't know that right now the earthquake will come. Meron lindol na yun. We will all die. There are many earthquakes in the world today. Many earthquakes, and immediately the thousands of buildings fell down. Thousands of people died. We don't know anything what's going to happen to us in any moment. So always we make tawbah, always ask Allah to forgive us. Be ready to die. Be ready for your departure from this world. So don't do the sin. Follow the commandments of Allah. Gagawin na lahat ng mga utos ng Allah at hindi gagawin na ano yung mga binawal ng Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. That is the meaning of preparation for your death. Because death is approaching us. Don't say that the people, only old people die. Every people die. Young people die. Old people die. And sometimes very old people are not dying. 100 years, but hindi siya matay. Even the Prophet Muhammad said, when you make sajda in the salah, you are not sure you can make another sajda. So why we are deceived by the shaitan? Why we are thinking that we have 1,000 years of life? We don't have the time. We don't have enough time to think too much about what should I do. But we can decide now, Allah, I want to follow your commandments and I don't like to disobey you. Make commitment to Allah. That Allah, we are going to follow the commandments of Allah and we are going to follow the way of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and the way of all the prophets. And stand on that. Say, Allah is my Lord. Allah is to give me food. Allah is sustaining me. Not my business, not my money. But Allah gives me everything. And say that, Inna salati wa nusuki wa mahyaya wa mamati lillahi rabbil alamin. Surely my prayer and my sacrifice and my living and my dying are only for Allah. I live and I die for Allah. I do everything for Allah. Allah is for me everything. And I am willing to do everything for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.